Everybody, it is your boy Nanotech back at it with another video. And today's video, I will be showing you guys my PC. I saw that someone asked for it, and I will, give back to the community. And yeah, I'm gonna just show you my PC. Yeah. And so first for my CPU, I have a Ryzen 5 3600. This is a 6-core 12-thread CPU. I just decided to use the normal CPU cooler because it's okay and it cools it well, and the temps are pretty low, and yeah, it's pretty cheap for $170 on Amazon. Sorry, for RAM, I decided to go with 16 gigs of Oleo RGB RAM. It's clocked at 3000 megahertz, and it's pretty fast. It's not the fastest, but it's pretty fast, and I think I got it for around $70, and it's obviously on dual channel because you always want to take advantage of it. So for the graphics card, I know this doesn't look it's not the best. It's not that bad. So I just decided to buy it because I wanted just to boot it up, and all the prices of GPUs are like really expensive right now, and I'm really broke, and I just decided to go with whatever I can get. And this is hear this out, AMD HD 7670, I believe. I got it for like $50, and it turns on well. I can run games at 60 frames without a problem, and I can run some other games with GeForce Now, and yeah, it's pretty good. It's super good. Okay, so for the things that are behind the case, let's talk about the case. This is a Corsair Spec Delta. It comes with these 3 included RGB fans, and I just decided to modify and put a couple more, one fan there, and I don't know if you can guys see that, but like a couple more fans in there, and yeah, it was $80 when I bought it, and it was pretty cool. And the RGB lights are pretty good. Oh, and guys, just a disclaimer. I know the cable management is terrible. I just really don't care. Yeah. And for the motherboard, I have a Gigabyte Aorus B450 Pro Wi-Fi. So I just decided to go with this one because I didn't want to buy an Ethernet cable. And it comes with its own Wi-Fi, which is pretty good. I don't really lag in games or anything, and yeah, it's pretty good. And it was around $130, and this is a B450 motherboard. I'm just saying. And things that are behind the case and under it, under is a 750-watt EVGA all-1 I believe it's something like that. Power supply. It's pretty good. When I got it, I think it was like $60, and now I think it's out of stock, which is, this is pretty good. 750 watts is very overkill, but yeah, it doesn't really matter. And yeah, for my storage, actually, I decided to go with I have only an SSD, and I know you can see a hard drive there, but we don't talk about him. I have a 240 gigabyte SSD from Inland. It cost me about $20 from Micro Center, and it's okay. It's very cheap, and it's very inexpensive as well. And yeah, that's really it for my PC. And I know it's very dusty. I literally had it I got it yesterday. It's not a pre-build. I built it myself, but I got all the parts yesterday, and I put a part in. Voila, it turns on, and I can record videos. And guys, just before I go, all the times that I recorded videos, I recorded that on a Chromebook. Just saying, I didn't have a Windows PC. And yeah, this is my PC, and leave a like, subscribe. It's Nanotech, and I am out of here.